Hello everyone, my name is Zhu Xiaoqi and you can call me Abby or Miss Zhu. Today I will be leading you in learning an old story, The Crow and the Pitcher. As we go through this lesson, we will see how a smart crow solves a problem. Through this old story, we will learn some good senses. In today's lesson, we have three learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, firstly, you will be able to understand how the crew used creativity to face challenges. Secondly, you will see the importance of creativity and persistence in solving problems. Finally, through the hands-on activities, you will use the course method to apply the stories lessons. Have you ever heard the story The Crow and the Pictures? It comes from Aesop's Fables, a collection of stories that teach lessons using animals and mythical creatures. The story happens on a hot summer day. A very thirsty crow finds a pond with a little water in it. But the crow could not drink the water. The crow wanted to drink it very much. So, what did it do? Here are some questions for you to think about. Next, we will watch a short video about this story, The Crow and the Pitcher. This cartoon will show us what the story looks like and help us picture the crow's problem and his smart solution. Watch the video with these questions in mind. And as you watch, notice the crowd's determination and the steps takes to fix the problems. This will get us ready for the rest of the lesson. Okay, now it's time for the video.
The Thirsty Crow. One hot day, a thirsty crow was looking for some water to drink. He looked everywhere, but he couldn't find it.
Oh, I'm so thirsty. Where can I find some water?
After searching and searching, the crow finally found a bottle with some water in it.
Phew, finally, some water.
The crow was excited. He couldn't wait to drink the water. But when he put his beak into the bottle, he couldn't reach the water. You see, there was only a little bit at the bottom.
Oh, even though I found water, I still can't drink it.
The thirsty crow thought for a moment and came up with a brilliant idea.
Ah, yes, that's it. I'm going to drink this water once and for all.
The thirsty crow picked up pebbles and dropped them into the bottle, one by one. The water inside the bottle began to rise and rise, until finally he could drink the water.
Oh, finally, some water. Sip, sip.
And so, the thirsty crow wasn't thirsty anymore.
After watching the video, I believe that everyone already has something understands about this story. Next, let's look at the task. Okay, here are the copy of the story. I'm already hand them out before the class. So please make sure everyone have the copy of the story. Now, let us to read the story together. Okay, after the read of the short story, I believe that everyone have their consider about this story. So please consider discussion and answer the following two questions. Question A. Why cannot crows drink water? Question B. How do crows drink water? So I will give you 7 minutes to think about these two questions and then share for us. It's been 7 minutes. Now is the sharing time. So, what do you think about these two questions? Angela, please answer this question. A. Yeah, okay. Annie, please answer the question B. Okay, that's good. Let me share the answer about these two questions. Yeah, the question A is why cannot crows drink water? The crow could not drink because the water level was too low. Yeah. And the question B is how do crows drink water? By dropping small stones into the bottle, and then the water level will be up, and then the crow can drink the water. Now, let's get to the hands-on part. Firstly, we will try the Krauss method and see how adding stones changes the water level. I already prepared a clear bottle. In the bottle have something water and some small stone. Yeah, I will show you how to do this first, and then you can try it in groups. Yes, here is a clear bottle. In the bottle has the water. See my hands as the back of the school. Yeah, just look like this. I cannot to touch the water, such as just like the score cannot to drink the water. So in the video, the score how to solve this problem. The score find some stone. So I have some stone. Yeah. When I put the stone into the bottle, maybe the water will have something change. So let me look. Here are some stone I put into. The water level go from here go up to here. So the stone put into the bottle will make the water level go up, and then I put up more stone into. Yeah, then use my hands to check the water level. I can put the water now, so in the video the score can drink the water now. My showtime is over. You are ready to start your experience. Remember to watch carefully and write down what you find. After the hands-on activities, we will think about the science behind the story. Why does the water level rise? Yeah, it's been 7 minutes. So, after your experience, do you know the science behind this story? Okay, now let me ask a question. Why does the water level rise? Kimmy, do you know? Okay, Kitty, what do you think about? That's good. So, this is because the stone take up space inside the bottle, making the water level go up. This is a lot of knowledge in the short story we are learning today. It also shows how clever the crow is to find a way to solve the problems by watching and trying. So, do you have any thoughts from this story? It's time for us to share. In the end, Let's summarize today's lesson. Today we learned the crow and the picture. This is a story about a crow trying to drink water, praising the crow's cleverness and ability. Now, let's analyze the structure of the story. There are three main parts to the story: the beginning, the middle, and the end. In the beginning, the crow feels thirsty and begins to look for water to drink. The middle part, the crow find that there is not enough water in the bottle and its beak cannot reach the water. In the end, the crow successfully drinks the water by through storms. So, what do you learn from this story? I think this story teaches us to think with our brains and find solutions when we encounter difficulties, just like crows. When we encounter difficulties, we should also use our brains to find solutions to problems so that we can become more capable. I hope that in the future study and life, everyone can be like a crow, good at thinking and solving difficulties. Okay, that's all for our today's lesson. So I hope everyone is full of harvest. So thank you for everyone's listening. Thank you. Goodbye. Hello everyone, my name is Zhu Xiaoqi and you can call me Abby or Miss Zhu. Today I will be leading you in learning an old story, The Crow and the Pitcher. As we go through this lesson, we will see how a smart crow solves a problem. Through this old story, we will learn some good senses. In today's lesson, we have three learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, firstly, you will be able to understand how the crew use creativity to face challenges.